Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the English ACT. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure. The English section presents 5 passages with 15 questions each, totaling 75 questions to answer in 45 minutes. This means you have about 36 seconds per question. Focus on understanding the types of questions asked, which include punctuation, grammar, sentence structure, and rhetorical skills. Knowing this breakdown helps you target your study efforts efficiently. Next, dedicate time to mastering grammar and punctuation rules. Many ACT English questions test your knowledge of standard English conventions. Review concepts such as subject-verb agreement, pronoun usage, and parallel structure. Pay close attention to punctuation, especially commas, semicolons, and apostrophes. Consistent practice with these rules will significantly boost your score. Use a reliable grammar guide to reinforce your understanding. A critical step is to practice extensively using official ACT materials. Take full-length English sections under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. After each practice test, thoroughly review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly. Understand why the correct answer is right and why your chosen answer was wrong. This detailed analysis helps you identify recurring errors and improve your strategies. Finally, develop effective test-taking strategies. Often, the correct answer is the most concise and grammatically sound option. Practice eliminating obviously incorrect choices to narrow down your options. Don't be afraid to trust your ear for what sounds right, but always back it up with a grammar rule. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to help you stay fresh while studying. Consistent effort and smart practice will lead to success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.